Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to a Trinity Stamps close-up featuring the new Love and Happy Thoughts stamp. This is one of 5 encouragement sentiment stamps being released during the Crafty Hugs release. It's a clear stamp that measures 3.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. It's sized perfectly for the mini card that is found in the newest slimline die set, frame and fold, but can easily be used on its own. Large sentiments like this make great focal points for clean and simple cards. Perfect for heat embossing on ink blended backgrounds or on acetate to create shaker cards filled with fun embellishments like the jelly drops, clay hearts, and the itty bitty confetti mix from Trinity. Now, I have a few samples I want to share with you, and I want to let you know you can find the Love and Happy Thoughts stamp in the Trinity Stamps online shop. Let us know what you think about the new encouragement sentiment stamps in the comments below. We hope you'll click that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of new content coming to the Trinity channel. Please feel free to share and or give us a thumbs up if you wish. If you're looking for more inspiration from Trinity, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, and over in the Trinity Stamps Facebook group, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation, where you can share your projects, find inspiration, and crafty conversation about all things Trinity. You can find all the links in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed joining me today, and please know how much we appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we hope you have a great day filled with love and happy thoughts.